Hi guys, nakatagos na kami sa immigration. Kakain na kami ng chapa. What's this? Chapati. Here's mommy. Hello.
You know who am I? Hello guys. We're going to Bangkok.
Guys, our food is here. Okay, so this is our food. Ano ba yan? Same kami ni Kuya, si Mommy. Aga-aga, spicy agad.
Siyempre, para magising. Saka mas masarap talaga yung tapakuin nila. Sure.
Ang kaluya.
Okay guys, kain lang kami.
Simon. Hi guys. I'm with mommy.
Hi guys.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
We don't know. Si Alaika, wala na, iniwanan namin ng Pilipinas. Kami, pupunta kaming Thailand. I don't care. Dapat pala din ako nakatingin. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited to abuse Mommy's credit card.
I am excited because 107. Let's go. Alaika is nowhere to be seen. Solo siya.
Who knows where it's like?
Tulog muna kami.
Hi guys, boarding na.
We're so sleepy.
Nakakalito naman gamitin to. Here's Kuya Alvin.
Sleepy too.
Everyone's sleepy. Pero nakatulog ako ng 1 hour. Ba't nasa yung face track lang? Hello, I'm here. Boarding na. Nakasakay na kami sa plane. Pinutol yung boarding pass namin. There's mommy. Okay, bye. Ilang shots na kaya ako dyan ang umiinom ng tubig.
I'm sleepy.
Okay, we're here now in Thailand.
Hello. Welcome to Thailand.
Hindi kami nakapag-video sa plane kasi hindi kami naka-video sa plane kasi nakatulog agad kami ni Kuya.
Ano?
Hindi tayo naka-video sa plane kasi nakatulog agad tayo. Boom, bagsak. Okay, we're gonna claim our baggage now. Then, yes. Basta we're
Immigration
here.
muna.
Ay, immigration pala first. Immigration. Then, baggage claim. Got our luggage. This is our luggage. Wait. And we're nagpapapalit ng money. Mommy's nakapila somewhere. Nagpapapalit na siya. Okay, bye. See you in the hotel. Okay, bye. Guys, kakain pala kami dito. Pag nakita niyo yung... Here, beside me. Pag nakita niyo yung TikTok ko, huwag niyo na lang pansinin. I mean, hayaan yung maging mahaba yung TikTok video ko kasi bumili na agad si Mami ng mango sticky rice.
Orange.
Later. Hi guys, so nakadating na kami dito sa hotel and we're in Hotel de Bangkok. So now let's have a room tour. Okay. Asan na yung mag-room tour ng...
Sabi mo taga-bukas naman.
Mami!
Uy, ikaw nga yung vlogger
Ikaw nga yung mag-vlogger eh.
Bawal tatamad-tamad dito sa business na to.
Asan na tayo?
Ayun o.
Ay, nako.
So hi guys, this is our hotel. We are in Hotel.
The Bangkok. I mentioned it when I was outside.
You can see we have a wardrobe with 2 doors, both with mirrors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hangers. Initan ng tubig. These are complimentary water, free. Pag sumobra, may bayad. And ito, our bathroom. We have a bathtub. We have a mommy. We have a shower.
Hi. I'm looking for toothbrush. Nothing. So we will request.
Mommy's scavenging for free stuff.
Sleepers.
Come. As you can see, we have 3 bedrooms. Pero
Bedrooms?
pagdidikit namin, ay 3 beds. But 2 of them magdidikit. Kasi hindi pwede paghiwalay si mommy. And
Why
look at
not?
our
Okay.
view, Wow!
Wow!
Ganon. That's how you use it. Sa mga di nakakaalam. Angas ng view namin. May aircon. Lapag.
Makakalabas ka ba dyan?
Oo. Sampayan eh.
Ayaw nga.
It can fit 2 people. It's very hot.
Okay guys, so we ordered ano ba? Ayun yung sa akin. Creamy omelette. Wala kasi menu to, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung nasan eh. Here. The wall of the menus of their dishes. We're here at here. What drink did you choose?
Banana. My favorite.
What drink did you choose?
Mango. As usual.
And I chose strawberry soda. Ay, yung lips ko. Ba't ganyan? Nandito na kami sa Chatuchak Weekend Market. And kakain muna kami because mommy is getting grumpy.
Because I'm hungry.
And she's still choosing kahit may hina kami kumain.
Later na lang.
Okay guys, so andito na yung tom yum namin. I don't know what that is.
I
Tom
have
yum.
banana na sobrang very, very good.
So andyan na rin yung order ni Kuya
Banana the
Alvin.
best.
This is mango smoothie. That's banana smoothie. Then yung order ni Kuya Alvin, somewhere there. I don't know. But here's mine. Strawberry soda. Let's taste my drink.
Yan ang authentic na tom yum. Sarap.
It's nice.
Heaven, sarap. Noodles.
Lasang
I belong
strawberry.
here. Noodles, tas banana. Oh my god. Wala, di mo nahuli.
Hindi siya maangaw. Ganyan talaga ang kanaw. Ayaw mo?
Ayoko.
Waiting for my food. Okay, my food is here. This is... What's this? Creamy omelette with crab on rice.
Gutom.
Best banana smoothie I've ever had. Only here in Chatuchak, Thailand.
Hello guys. It's our second day here in Bangkok.
Hindi na kami
And
nakapag-vlog
we're going to
kagabi.
take breakfast. We're so tired. After taking a bath every one of us dead.
Hey, you can't say that. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog na after kumain kahapon. Pero nag-ikot pa kami sa Chatuchak Weekend Market.
I don't have a choice. I need to wear... I have slippers. Where is it? Here.
So, OA.
It's normal. I'm not OE. It's my normal reaction.
Slippers from...
It's a long time ago. 9 West. See, it's very durable. Expensive, but it's... How many years? Almost 5 years. Since Kuya came, I bought this. Together with the one I gave to Nanay. See, it's still okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm wearing my Crocs. Hindi ko nilagay yung G-Beats cause...
Bakit?
Cute kayo ng mga G-Beats ko, hindi bagay. It's not bagay to my OOTD. May mga funny na G-Beats dyan.
Hindi ba yun ano? Removable pa yun?
Yeah. We're all pink. We're all wearing pink. I'm wearing Stitch. So, fit check. Susuotin ulit natin ito mamayang gabi. Tapos may dala pa akong isang Minnie Mouse. Okay guys, see you sa baba.
Omelette. Omelette for you. Go on na ba?
Let's crumble down.
Tara na, tara na. Your favorite cherry tomato sauce?
Yes.
Onions?
Let's try the onions.
Ano yan? Ang sarap. Meron siyang tomato, potato salad. I want potato salad and cucumber. And talong.
Take everything. Take everything na lang.
Yeah.
It looks like you want everything eh.
No, I don't.
Guys, look.
Okay, potato salad.
Ay, may plate pala sila for that.
Yeah.
I put it on the same plate.
And then, what's this? Talong. Okay.
Where's your utensil? Time lapse?
Ay, gumalaw. Ayun. Ay, di siya pwede. Ayun. Nakakalito siya gamitin. Show me your watermelon.
Show me your watermelon without showing me your watermelon.
I love watermelon.
Mommy has... What's that?
French toast. No, I don't think. Yeah, it's French toast with jam and butter.
And
Strawberry and palm.
We're done eating. No. Thank you. Okay, we're going back now to the hotel room. And we're going back to Chat to Chat Weekend Market.
lang kami ni Laika, ikaw lang nag-elevator.
We're going back to the Chat to Chat Weekend Market later. Ano pa gagawin? I'm gonna look for squishies. See you later in Chat to Chat Weekend Market. Hi. I forgot to vlog. I forgot I brought the... Oh my gosh, kuya. Okay, I'm not allowed to show. Pero nakabili na ako ng mga pantulog ko. Here. I cannot recommend the store kasi naghanap lang din kami. 800.
Hi guys. Galing lang kami sa Chotacho Kak. And we're so thirsty. We drink coconut milkshake worth 60 baht. I'll turn you over to Laika.
Ginagawa ni Mami yung accent nila. Kagaling lang namin sa chat at saka ang super init. Pero, and it's only open weekends. Open daw sila ng weekdays. Pero, onti lang.
We bought the luggage worth 1,000 baht only.
Hindi pala kita doon.
And that's so, cheap na.
How much is it in pesos?
1,800? Like that. I think it's cheap. I don't know.
For Mami, it's cheap.
Kung bibili mo sa palengke sa atin yun, baka nasa 3,000.
Mm.
Malaki pa siya.
The only thing we need to add luggage. We just need to add luggage.
It's inevitable. We already have.
Oh, pabalik na kami sa hotel.
And next time you'll see us sa Pattaya. Enough muna?
No.
Okay. This is my POV. This is Thailand roads.
Hi guys, so we're going na to Pattaya.
Yeah. Hello guys.
Okay, seat tour tayo. Hotspot daw. Okay, so here you'll see my pillow. My very cute neck pillow. Tapos here merong cup holder. Lalagyan na ng basket. Ay, lalagyan na ng things here but it's so tight. Tapos footrest there. Leg rest here. Push it down. Like, put it down.
Gumagalaw pa rin ito kanina kahit wala ako internet.
Tapos here, may buttons here. I don't know what these are for. Pero
Yung isa
ito,
pang tao, then yung isa pila.
no, pantawag daw ng tas ng pendant. Tapos ito, pang ilaw. Then these two buttons, 2 hours. Then this button is for the seat to go back and to go, ano ba? Higa and bangon. Yes. Tapos here, meron ding table. Pero hindi ko na siya iaangat. Kasi, ang super kalat namin ni Mommy.
Girl stuff.
It's all stuffs. Tapos yung luggage namin is nandun sa ilalim. And those are snacks. Yummy snacks. And that's Mommy. Hello guys.
We're sleepy and hungry. Preparing for the next tour.
Pag inalis ko to sa'yo, magsasalita ka na naman.
Okay, go.
Wow. Ah, laki naman pala yung
Wow.
bed eh.
Tapos,
Hindi. Okay.
Oh, it's so nice.
wow.
Binuko talaga dalawang bed na pala. Pero alam mo mas maliit dapat dito eh. Maliit yung isa.
Ay, abangan nyo yung mga TikTok ko.
May ano naman, ano gusto mo?
Salamin pala to.
It's a mirror.
There's a room inside.
Wow, it's very nice.
And check the
I did.
washroom. I wait for the... Here's the washroom.
O, teka lang, mamaya ka na mag-room tour. Ay, andito na agad yung maleta.
Hi guys. So this is the bed. And see my two babies. They're already
Two chubby babies.
too chubby. My twin children. With 7 years apart. Ang ganda ng painting, oh, parang Sakura.
The
ang
real
dating.
bunso. The second bunso.
The first bunso. And the real bunso.
Eh?
See, they are really alike. It's nice. Of course, it's Marriott. If it's Marriott. And see who is this? The little one is resting peacefully.
Yung tingnan niya yung chair.
Nice interior. Very... Ang tawag doon?
Ano phone, mami? Where's your phone?
It's a very Japanese.
Japanese.
Minimalist.
Same Marriott sa atin, right?
Oo.
Ay, sinang mga Marriott.
This is the... There's no cabinet there, no. This is their fridge. And then this is a cabinet with all the amenities. See? This is supposedly for 2 people only. But we have requested for... We didn't request at all for additional bed. Because we can fit in. This is the cabinet. See? And this one. Try this. Is there any? It's for laundry if you want. And they have hair blower. And then this is their cabinet. They have flashlight. They have umbrella. The normal kabayo. And 2 bathrobes. And 2 slippers. I already used one. So, then this is the door. What's this? If you want to request for. Then this is the washroom. It's very clean. Nice setup of washroom, no? Parang ang dali niyang linisin.
Bye-bye na mami.
Gayahin nyo tong setup dito. Ang ganda, ano. Ang ganda ng design. Aesthetic. Tapos yung tiles niya, ano siya, glossy. Kinakausap ko kayo. So, that's it, guys.
Pagka-pindot ko, sumabay pindot
Fit
ng
check.
record, kaya akala ko, kaya tumunog.
Fit check. Tapos naka-croc. Very convenient. Oh, fit check, fit check.
Hey, no!
Ay, dito pala.
Very manly. With my cat.
Parang ang dilim.
Ayan.
May ganyan din ako pero t-shirt. Crop top.
Tutuwa ako sa sando.
Sando from?
Chuck! Tuk! Chuck!
My dress is from Day to Day Dubai. Bongga. 1 year ago. Meron din si mommy pero ayaw niya suotin.
You went down there?
Laika.
Ah.
We're on the way to the beats. Chinen, and this is why they call it the Dolphin Roundabout.
Dapat man lang may pinula.
So, where are we going? Ito guys yung Terminal 21. Mall pala siya, akala ko ano lang siya.
Okay, hi everyone. So we're in Big Fish Buffet. Mommy. Here's mine.
My favorite sashimi. It's priceless for me. Yung salmon. Nahiya nga akong kunin lahat eh.
Baka mamaya may plato na naman yan.
Masabi ni mami, nakuha ko pero ako kain.
Okay, we just finished eating our dinner and now we have dessert. Look.